Give me liberty or give me death. Words that turned ordinary people into heroes willing to fight for freedom at any cost. We hold these truths to be self-evident, a sentence that declared every human being has value that no power can erase. Ask not what your country can do for you, a call that transformed a nation from passive to purposeful, from expecting to contributing. I have a dream, a vision so powerful it reshaped the meaning of equality for generations. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Words that lifted a country out of despair and taught it to stand bravely again. Government of the people, by the people, for the people. A reminder that true power lives with citizens, not with rulers. A house divided against itself cannot stand. A warning that unity is survival and division is collapse. Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall, a command that cracked decades of separation and moved the world toward freedom. We shall overcome, a promise whispered through struggle and echoed in victory. Yes, we can. 3 simple words that turned doubt into action and hope into strength.